Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to draw a waterfalls chart. Okay, what is waterfall chart? Okay, you see here the data. What I have is a person's income per month. Okay, he got $6,000 income and his savings are $3,100. So from this income he got this savings. So the savings is $3,100. But how come he arrived with this $3,100 savings? Okay, there is a series of positive and negative happenings in between from the income, so that he got this savings. Okay, so we have a base value here, which is the income, and you have the value which you arrive here. Okay, this is our initial value, which is $3,100. okay, how we got this initial value $3,100? Because of this series of additions and subtractions from the income. Okay, so usually we have this first bar and the last bar, which is the total. Okay, these two bars are fixed. This is the savings, and this shows from the income to the savings what is happening in between. So those bars are the hanging bars, okay, which are all like waterfalls. Okay, so you can see here I formatted already this data points, data values as negative values. Okay, because the negative ones are in red bracket, the positive ones are in black. Okay, positive. Okay, so here the house he has to pay $1,000 rent. Okay, so it is a negative value. Electricity he has to pay $400 negative. Then the freelance is $500. He has done some freelance work and he got $500. Okay, so this $500 has to be added to the income, whereas the house, electricity, tax, household and food or need to be subtracted from the income. Okay, this is the way it is happening. And finally he got only the $3,100 as his savings. Okay, so this is the waterfall chart. Okay, so now we are going to draw a waterfall chart. Okay, what I am going to do is I just select the data, then go to the insert. In the insert you have insert waterfall or stock chart. Okay, the charts group you have this one, this icon, insert waterfall or stock chart. There you click that one, then you have a waterfall chart. Once you put a you click the waterfall chart, it is already popping out the chart window. Okay, so this is what the Excel given as a initial waterfall chart. Okay, you can see here that what is the data points. Right click, then you have if it is giving proper values in the chart, it's fine. If not, you need to select, you must go to the select data and see whether it is selected the proper data source. Okay, what is your source of data is selected. Once you selected, it is the legend entries. Okay, and the horizontal axis labels. Okay, the horizontal axis labels must be these labels, these headers: income, house, electricity, freelance and so on. The y-axis is the legend is more like the values, the in dollars. Okay, so it is fine. If you want to modify anything, you can modify, edit, and you can select. Okay, similarly for the legend also, you can, the series you can give your own name and edit and give your own name and so on. Okay, the values are something like this. Okay, then here what you need to do is, okay, the series is fine and the data is selected fine. What we need to do is we need to see the bars here. Okay, so So you have this income is the base value about $6,000. It's very fine. From the $6,000 it gone down by $1,000 because of the house rent. Okay, from so it is here in the $5,000 now. In the $5,000 again it went down by $400. Okay, in the $400 you can see. Okay, so it is $4,600. Okay, so it is going down $4,600. Then it is going up by $500. So which is $5,100. From there it is again going down by $700. Then $500, $800. Okay, so this is all the waterfalls, boss. Okay, finally for the food it is $800. Then you see this savings, but the chart drawn the savings as $3,100 as again to adding that one, but we don't want this one to be the final value. Okay, it is not final value, they say it is the initial value, because this is the value we are trying to know what is happening. So, okay, so for this value is here in the waterfall chart, it is called the total. Okay, so we need to set this value as a total. Okay, but these values are the hanging bars, we are not setting as the total, they are like increase and decrease. Okay, now how to set this one as a total? You need to select this one. Okay, if you click on the bar, you can see all the bars are selected, but we want only this bar to be selected, so we need to click again one more time. Then this time it is selecting only this bar. Then right click, format data point. In the data point you can see there is something called the series options. In the series options you have a set as total. So once you set as total, you can see it is setting as total. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, now you can also see there is a connector line in between the bars. Okay, so some of them prefer to have the connector line, most of them doesn't want the connector line. If you don't want the connector line, then again right click on the bar, go to the format data series, there is show connector lines, you don't uncheck it. Okay, so you don't have the connector lines. Okay, then finally you want to change the savings. Okay, the title. Okay, this way you can start working on the waterfalls chart. I hope this video is helpful to you to understand what is waterfall chart and how to work on that. The other things, the cosmetics, the color bars, everything is same like the you see however we do it in other charts, it's similar. You can select and modify only for one bar or multiple bars. This thing you can keep doing the cosmetic stuff. Okay, you have fill and border lines and other things. Okay, so hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and you can have comments button public, and so you can leave your comments and suggestions there, and God bless you.